take a little 45-minute ride on this 11:15. We'll be back by noonish. I'm going to try to get in the open car. We'll see here. But I just made it. I'm at the back of the line here, so I might have to stand. We shall see. All right. Okay, we're underway here. Starting out slow, which is always good. We're going to start out slow.
You're welcome to stand up in this car. Just make sure you're hanging on in case you have to stop. Watch the other car, yeah. Wait till we're past the curve down here.
There's people on the other side over there. They're going to wave to us maybe. Delta King over there too. Alright, we're starting out slow here. Going back this way. First class cars are back there. Oh, sorry. Am I in your way here? There we go. Rio City Cafe. There we go. Switching over another track here. Sounds good. Just put a fresh battery in. Eat at Joe's. There you go. Looks like we got a railroad bridge that lifts up over there, and looks in pretty good shape over there too. Well, it might not be a railroad bridge. It may be for boats where it lifts up then, so I don't know. We'll see you. Wave goodbye, everybody. All right. Speed now here. There you go. It's like a bridge. Oh, look at that bridge here. There you go. Wow. Nice and cool here now. Oh, there's the front of the train up there. You can see it now. The conductor's going to punch my ticket here in a minute. So we're going to get a little vid of him. Make sure I'm legal and not a hobo where I'm going to have to ride the rails here or something. Or have to throw me off the train. I don't know. He's got a couple badges. It's going to be Will. Will's going to take my ticket, punch my ticket there. Okay, I'm 100% legal now. All right.
I don't know about that.
Wow, that's, we're picking up speed here. There we go. We're going a million miles per hour here now. I got to hold on to my hat. Keep my hat screwed on here. So there we go. All right. This is the other car here, the coach car. Looks pretty good. You can sit down and rest here. I might take a breather. Well, this is inside of the coach car. You got the coach seating here. You can flip the seats back and forth. And not too much to see outside right here. But yeah, the old coach car here. Okay. I have me sitting here. Take my hat off here. Sitting to all my faithful subscribers out there. I went to the Railroad Museum, and now I'm taking this 45-minute ride before I have to get back to the hotel. And it's pretty nice. It costs like $18 for coach. I can go out in the open air one, and it's pretty good. So everybody needs some more subscribers there. So back on the road again. Alrighty, my friends. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. There's another track there, but it doesn't look very shiny, so it may not be used. We might be able to see the front of the train up there, because we're going to go around a curve here. So, yeah, just about to see it up there. A little bit there. So, here I am. I'm riding on a train here. So, get a train ride here out in Sacramento, California. Beautiful day. Very nice. I'm a little hungry. I want to get my slice of pizza on the way back. But all right, see you soon. Bye-bye. Let's see. Trey's making another curve up there. Let's see, put my hat on here. We got joggers here on the track. So, guy jogging down there. There he is. Jogging. We got water here. It's cool right here. We're getting the breeze here. So wave some people here. Here you go. All right, all right. Hey. Okay. Train up front. Yeah, we're going to left track, and Eugene going to come back on this track here and go up to the front, so we'll see him passing by then. Alrighty, we're going backwards, but the engine's going to come around and come down here, and we'll see him here. Okay. So there's the engine going off. He's going to come right down this track right here, and we're going to see him. And he's going to come up to the other end of the train and pull us back. So yeah, there he is. We got to switch the switches over. Okay, here he comes, coming down here. He's going to hook up the other end. Everybody get a good photo and everything. We're heading back now, so I'm just going to sit in here and relax on the way back, because a little dried out. I drank some water as I brought my water bottle. But I got to make a dash to get back to the hotel for 1:30 to go somewhere with the group, and I just have enough time. I thought the whole trip was going to take 45 minutes, but Yeah, maybe not. There's maybe 45 minutes each way, which is a nice trip. But anyhow, as soon as this is over, I've got to head back. I don't think I'll have time to look at the round table or whatnot. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.